This is the W58 PRO Apple lookalike watch with special screens that can go into an ambient mode, low power, really nice. You can bring it back full color, check out a variety of different controls on here, or go into a variety of apps, including something new called Immunity Response. Takes a couple of minutes to measure this, and it gives you a reading of your current immunity level. Not sure what that is, but it does it. You also have into this one a built-in temperature check too. After a couple of minutes as well, it will tell you your skin temperature, and you can monitor that directly in the app as well. You have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. You have a few exercise activities like running, cycling, and climbing. Remote music player, your SMS text messages pushed here, last night's sleep time information, the settings that we just saw, find your phone, and a stopwatch built into it. It really looks like an Apple Watch with its nice band integrated into the brushed gold finish, available in a variety of colors. Once again, the W58 PRO. Check it out.